Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Wolseley Swinging Bridge in the lovely town of Wolseley, Saskatchewan. This old footbridge is one of the town's most famous landmarks and has been part of the community for over 100 years. It stretches across Prairie Lake, a calm and peaceful spot right in the middle of town. The bridge gently sways as you walk across, which is why it's called the Swinging Bridge. It was first built in 1905 to help people cross the lake and get to town more easily. Over the years, the bridge has been repaired and rebuilt, but it still keeps its old-time charm. Prairie Lake was created when a small creek was dammed, and now it's a favorite place for fishing, boating, and picnics.
Thank you very much.
The Swinging Bridge is a special part of Wolseley's history and a quiet place to enjoy the view, listen to the birds, and feel the fresh prairie breeze. Thank you for joining us on this walk along the Wolseley Swinging Bridge.